Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice, and this is the second time I meet everyone here through my YouTube channel. I'm a designer and illustrator based in Australia. So last time I have already introduced some of my sketchbook, like my drawings, my watercolor hand drawings, as well as my digital art, because nowadays lots of people they use the software to do the drawings. I use Adobe. Yeah, very classic one, Adobe. I use Photoshop, so as well as the Procreate. Whenever I need to go out, I just grab my iPad with me, so it's very easy for me to do the drawings, do my sketch through the iPad. So today I want to talk about inspiration, because inspiration is really important for our creators. As everyone can see, I wear Indian traditional dress today. Yeah, this one I got from Indian. I think it was 10 years ago. Yeah, such a long time ago. I just been there. Really like the color which they use, very colorful, and the jewelries, the traditional dress, the handmade stuff, and butter chicken. Yeah, one of my favorite. Well, yeah, one of my favorite one, butter chicken, as well as the henna drawings. I hope today I can show you guys the henna drawings. So last time I've been to an Indian festival, so I just want to show you guys everything's there and the drawing which I did these days. So okay, let's have a look.
Takita dhikita ginna dha, takita dhikita ginna dha, takita dhikita ginna dha, takita dhikita ginna dha, takita dhikita ginna.
Okay, back in my studio now, and as you can see, this is the final outcome. I was inspired a lot from the festival, so like after that I just went to the gallery, and it's the National Gallery of Victoria, which is my favorite one. They host lots of exhibitions regularly, and they have like plenty of space, so it's very easy to find a spot for me to do the drawings. So here's the drawing. The basic concept of this one was inspired by the henna designs. So henna drawings is like it's from Indian. So I used a lot of line shapes to combine other elements, and you can see the color. The color I choose the purple and the golden color, which reminds me about Indian. I really like this one, so I made another one. This one is A4 size, I think, yes. And as you can see, like even with the same concept and the colors and the shapes, but outcomes are different. I think this is the joy of hand drawings, because you will never know like how the outcome will look like. Interesting, right? Yep. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye!